frustrated because some websites are not loading or opening in any browser on Windows 10, you've come to the right place. Today we'll walk through several steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. So let's get started. Before we dive into troubleshooting, make sure to restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. If that doesn't help, follow these steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try opening other websites or streaming a video. If your internet is slow or not working, this could be the reason some websites aren't loading. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes cache data or cookies can cause issues with website loading. In your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select cache images and files and cookies and other site data. Next, what you can do is disable browser extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with website loading. Disable all extensions and then try loading the websites again. If the problem is resolved, re-enable extensions one by one to identify the culprit. Now let's flush DNS cache. The DNS cache might have outdated information. To flush it, place Windows plus R, type CMD and press enter. In the command prompt, type ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. This will clear the DNS cache and may fix issues with website loading. And that's it. Those are the main steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue of some websites not loading in any browser on Windows 10.